Hi there. So a client contacted me to make this a lovely Zara cap for her. She actually saw the Zara cap I had made previously for someone and asked me how many yards she needed. Now I made an error. I said it was half a yard and that's what she gave me. But on looking at it, I realized I needed 1 yard. So what I did was I called her up and I was like, oh, I made an error. I'm really sorry. It's actually 1 yard that I need. So can I merge it up with another material? To which she said yes. So I'm telling you this whole story so that you'll be able to know that you can make this particular Zara cap even with less yards. Do you understand? Less Ankara yards. So what I did was I bought bridal satin, and first of all, I cut out the base of the Zara cap because I wanted the Zara cap to be all Ankara. Do you understand? I didn't want it mixed with any material. So that's what you can see here. That's how it's got. And the next thing I did was to cut part of the Ankara and not part of the Ankara, I cut it's the Ankara I used. Then I had the bridal satin also that I joined together. So the black was now going to be at the back. You know, the we had what do you call it? The long strip that we used to make the rows at the back of the Zara cap. So that's how I joined it together so that one side would be the bridal satin, the other side the Ankara. And then I made it and it came out looking so lovely.